here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9th, NCERT, chapter 12, Heron's formula. Heron's formula is used for the area of triangle. Area of triangle is always half into base into height. We know in the previous classes. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is half into base into height. If that's out of three sides, any one will be base, then one altitude will be from there. It is very common formula in the if the height is given. For right triangle, base and perpendicular except the hypotenuse, any one is height. Like this, ABC is right triangle, 90 degrees is this. So area of triangle is half into BC into AB or AB into BC. Any one will be height and any one will be base. So like this. If AB is 4 centimeter given and BC is 8 centimeter given, so half into 4 into 8 into 4, that gives you 16 centimeter square, which is unit of area 16 centimeter square. Unit of area we know very well. It is any polygon. If area is there, then it is square unit. Square centimeter, square millimeter, square kilometer, anything. Or you can write unit power 2. Suppose a triangle is given whose base is 10 and altitude is 4. So altitude is called height. Half into 10 into 4 you will get 2 to the 4, 10 to the 20 centimeter square. But if sides are given and no height given, height is not there, it is not a particular triangle, not a right triangle, no any angle is 90 degrees, then the area of triangle is difficult to find. So by basic formula, which is half into base into height. So by this, area of equilateral triangle we know very well in the previous class, root 3 by 4 side square. Side square means a square, if side is a. If is side of any triangle, scalene triangle or any type of triangle, isosceles, scalene, equilateral, one is A, one is B, one is C, then Heron's a mathematician, who is about 10 AD, possible in Alexandria in Egypt. He has given a formula, basic formula, which is this. What is the formula? Area of any triangle is half into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C in square root. What is S? S means semi. Semi means perimeter. Semi-perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the side A plus B plus C. It is called the perimeter. Like a semicircle, half circle, so perimeter is also semi-perimeter is yes, half of the perimeter. By this formula, if all the sides are given, any type of triangle, it is equilateral, isosceles, or scalene, you can get the area of this triangle. An equilateral triangle has side 8, all. For example, ABC means all the sides are 8. So A plus B plus C, calculate the S, you will get 12. Area S minus A, S minus B is 12, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8, 12 into 4 into 4 into 4. Class 8 we know how will you find out the square root. This pair 4, 12 I am not factorizing prime factor 2 into 2 into 2 like this, very lengthy. If you are getting 4 2 times, then it 1 4 will come out. Here again 1 4 here, 1 4 here will come out. 4 4 ja 16 under root 3 centimeter square is the area. But we know the area of equilateral triangle is this. So at the place of side, if you apply the alternate method, second method, direct formula, then A is 8 square, 8 8 ja 64, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, root 3. This and this both are same. It is by Heron's and it is by direct. Second question, if the three sides of a triangle are given, find the area. A, B, C is given. You find out perimeter, S 18. Put the value of the S, A and B, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 18, 8, 6, 4. 4 2 ja 8. So 1 4 here, 1 4 here. Direct, don't write 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. Don't write. 9 2 ja 18. 9 is a perfect square. 4 and 4 is forming the pair and also perfect square. So out of these 2 4, 1 4 I have written here. Square root of 9 is 3. Here what is left? 2 and 2. There is a 2 2. 1 2 is outside. 6 is left. 4 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24 centimeter square. Like this you calculate. It is not needed that you write like a prime factor, all multiply, then like this you take. No need. You are in 9th standard, higher class, so apply your mind. NCERT examples we will see. Here NCERT example given, example number 1. All are seeing. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 8 and 11 and perimeter is 32. Two sides given, third side is not given. You find out the third side by the perimeter formula. A and B you subtract from 32, you get 13. Now semi-perimeter S. What is the S? S is the half of perimeter. No need to again add. Perimeter is given. 32 by 2, 16. Apply the formula, put the value 16, 16 minus 8, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 13. Again you are 8 to just 16. 1 8 is common. 2, 5 and 3 is left. 2, 5 and 3. 8 and 8 gives you 1 8 outside. 5 to the 10, 3 to 30. It is your answer. It is a question given. Second example. There is a one triangular park. ABC has sides this. It is a park given. And there is a dhania, a gardener want to put the wire all around it and also put the plant inside. So he want to cost of fencing, how he will get if the 1 meter rate is 20 meter and there is a one door. So perimeter fence means outside boundary line. So first of all you calculate the perimeter, 250 meter. 250 meter wire is close the rectangular park, 250 meter. But here is the gate. How much gate? 3 meter wide. Subtract the 3 meter, you are getting 247. 247 meter at the rate of 20, you will apply the 2,940 rupees for barbetting wire, means putting the wire. Semi perimeter for area 125. ABC already you have got 50, 80, 120. Put the value here. Calculate 125, 75. This 25 into 5. No need to 5 into 5. 75, 25 into 3. 45, 9 into 5. See, 25, 25, 125 out. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5 is out. 9 square root is 3. Now what is left in the bracket? Under root 3 and 5. 25, 5 ja 125, 3 ja 375, root 15 meter square is the area of the park. Third example is given. The sides of a triangular plot is 3:5:7 and perimeter is given 300. Ratio is given, it means you let the ratio factor, that is x. Let the A will be 3x, B is 5x, C is 7x. Perimeter means sum of sides given. This. Put the value, find x 20. Then A, B, C you calculate separately. 20 into 30, 20 this, you are getting the 3 ABC. Put the value, semi perimeter, direct A 300 by 2, 5, 150. Put all the values here. Now 150, 90, 50, 110 you are getting. But see here, again no need, it is a lengthy. If you write 2 into 5 into like this length you will get. But what is the rule? How many zeros are here? 4. 4 0 square root is 2 0, that is 100 outside. 15, 9, 5, 1 left. 9 is a perfect square. 3 will come out. 15 and 5 again will give you 5 and 5 out. 5 3 is 15. So 3 and what is left? Only 3 is left. 1 1. So what are you getting? 300 into 5 into root 3. 5 3 is 1500 root 3 meter square. I have written meter, but wrong. You put the square, otherwise you will not get the full marks. Exercise 12.1, there is a one question given. A traffic signal is school ahead. Before the school there is a triangular equilateral triangle is put whose side is A. Find the area by Heron's formula. After Heron's formula, getting the area, you put the 180 centimeter is perimeter. What is the signal's area? Equilateral triangle A means A, B, C all are equal to A. Put the perimeter. I am not applying the direct formula. A plus B plus C by 2. 3A by 2 is the semi-perimeter S. Put here 3A by 2, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A. Now take LCM like this. You will take the LCM. 2 is the LCM, 3A minus 2A, 3A minus 2A, 3A minus 2A. 3A by 2. 3A by 2 you can write 3 into A by 2, 3A by 2, A minus A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. One pair giving you A by 2 out, another pair giving you A by 2. What is left? Root 3. So A into A square and 2 to the 4, root 3 by 4A square, and it is, I have told you in the beginning, what is the area of equilateral triangle. Now perimeter is given 180. So 3A 180, what is A? 60. Put the A here. 60 60 ja 3600, 4 9 ja 3600. You are getting 900 root 3 centimeter square is the area of the rectangular head. Triangular head, not. Second question is given. There is a figure. There is a two-side rectangular wall. It is overbridge. Advertisement. A company want to take 120 into 20 into 120. The advertisement yield in earning rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Rate of this area is given 5,000 per meter square per year. Find the company which has for the 3 months only one wall. Out of these two, only one for 3 months rent did it pay. So what will you do? First of all, you find the area of the triangular region by Heron's formula. 132, yes, S minus A applying. So I have got 132, 10, 110 and 12. How will you reduce it? 100 gives you 10 outside. Square root of 20 is 10, 10. Now 432, 132 is 4 into 33. 10 is 1, 11, 12, 4 3 is 12, 2 4 you are getting out 1 4 outside, 3 into 11, 11, 11 outside, 3 3 outside. So your answer is 1320 meter square is area of triangle. This is the area, one side. And then rate is given 5,000 rupees per meter square 1 year. Cost is equal to area into rate into time. Area is given how much? Area is given 1320, cost 5,000, rate time 3 months. 1 year, month you convert 3 upon, it is in the month, you convert in the year, 3 by 12 year. So that you write and then solve it. Your answer is 1,16,50,000 for the 3 months. Question number 3 is given. It is a park. Keep the park green and clean. This you want a poster. 15, 11, 6. 15, 11, 6. Find S. Put the values 16, 5, 10 square root. Your answer is 20 root 2 meter square. Very simple. Question number 4. It is given the ratio, the areas of a triangle whose two sides are this and perimeter this. Like example, perimeter given, two sides given, find the third side. C equal to perimeter minus A plus B. You are getting 14. So A is 18, B is 10, C is 14. Semi-perimeter, sum of perimeter by 2, 21. 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14 and 21. Under root. So 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. So 21, 3, 21, 7, 3 is 21. I am multiplying here. So 221 I am getting 121 outside. You are getting, this is your area. Question number 5. Ratio is given 540. Perimeter. Ratio you take. This is 12x, 17x, 25x. So add all. 54x is 540. Then x will be 10. First side, second side, third side. Semi-perimeter, perimeter by 2, 270. 270 minus A, B and C. Getting this, again 40, 10, 20, 30, 40 gives you 100 outside. What is left? 27, 15, 10 and 2. Now 9 3 is 27, 9 is a perfect square, 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10. 9 gives you 3 here, 1 3 and 1 3 gives you another 3, 1 5, 1 5 gives you 1 5, last 2 gives you 2. So multiply all, you are getting 9000 centimeter square. Question number 5. Last question of this exercise is given. An isosceles triangle 30 centimeter perimeter and equal sides 12 12. Find the area. Isosceles triangle, then perimeter is given, each equal side 12, that means two sides are 12. Third side is 6. Semi perimeter 15. Area of triangle S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Your answer is 15, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12 2 times and 15 minus 6. This 3 gives you 3, 9 also 3, only 15 is left, 3 3 are 9 under root 15 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. So, like this your exercise 1 of the Heron's formula is over. You only see and then solve without seeing it. Thanks for today.